Je m'appelle Solène, j'ai 22 ans et je suis en Erasmus ici à Aarhus, au Danemark, dans le cadre d'études de langue.
Ici, la culture est partout et accessible à tous. On se balade dans les rues, on tombe sur des façades peintes. C'est pas juste des graffitis ou des tags comme on dit en France, c'est vraiment des façades peintes qui représentent quelque chose. Et du coup, c'est vraiment l'art à la portée de tous et tout le monde peut en profiter. Et c'est aussi la même chose avec la musique. Chacun peut s'ouvrir à la musique, peut s'ouvrir à la culture de manière très, très simple. Et c'est vraiment le point qui m'a marqué dans cette ville d'Aarhus.
This painting in particular is made together with the owner of the cafe, and it's for bringing the customers in, saying welcome to this place with the good energy. In my history, it's been important to me to connect with nature. I live in the forest, and I'm in the forest every day, and and it has been giving me a lot to connect to the energy of the nature, because we have so much noise here in the city, always noise. I think we have very good conditions in Denmark to, start on your own and express yourself. We have this education system where you can, do the stuff that you feel inside. It's possible.
Okay.
So I think that maybe that's why it's so alive.
Please don't give up, 'cause your life is a game. You are the maker of its turns and shifts, so don't be afraid to follow your heart and not your pain, 'cause when you are true to your dreams, you find it all become great. Don't lose your mind trying to hide what's really inside. Just let the passion lead your way. What you said, see the dawn everywhere, wrapped in a fear, knowing how to change it.
Trying to get in dialogue with the paintings and making music, trying to compose what I get out of looking at these pictures and what kind of feelings they give me and what kind of sensations, and I'm really trying to see what stories I can find inside of these pictures, and then I compose different things. And right now I'm working with this painter, which is called Gary Kane. He's an Irish painter, and he's very expressive and he's very interesting because he really has something, some passion. It's got something. I mean, it's really passionate for what he's and I want to try to really mix the different kind of arts, and not only to be a singer, and really to try to stimulate all the senses for the audience.
This only depends on you, so let the worries fade away. Give up, just go with your flow.
Aros, le musée d'art moderne et contemporain de Aarhus, c'est vraiment le lieu culte de la ville. Beaucoup d'œuvres très diverses. On peut voir des collections sur le modernisme, danois mais aussi européen, et puis beaucoup d'art contemporain également. Il y a cette sculpture de Boy qui est vraiment impressionnante. C'est un immense garçon agenouillé qui... Enfin, quand on se met à côté, on se sent tout petit. C'est vraiment impressionnant, tous les détails. Et donc il y a ce fameux Rainbow Panorama, Panorama, qui est aussi vraiment quelque chose de, vraiment impressionnant. Tous les détails d'incroyable parce que c'est pas seulement un panorama comme les autres, c'est un panorama qui nous fait voir la ville autrement à travers toute une palette de couleurs différentes. Et du coup, chaque partie de la ville prend une autre dimension et est transformée par ces couleurs.
You are my rainbow, and when the rain is falling on my day, your smile is shining, just like the sun's incredible. You are my rainbow. I didn't know the power of a smile with you is so rare. It's a rare gift when you use it. You are my rainbow. You are my rainbow, you are the sun within the rain, you are the glimmer within darkness which lights my day. You are my rainbow, you are the joy within sadness, you are the purpose which gives the sense to my life. You are my rainbow.